Today I'll be talking about the 4% rule. This is an amazing retirement tool that helps you understand, do you have enough money for retirement? So at a 101 level, the 4% rule is a retirement planning guide that helps you estimate how much you can safely withdraw without running out of money. It was developed from the Trinity study. You can look more into that if you'd like. That is what this entire thing is based off of. It assumes 50 to 75% of your portfolio is made of stocks and 25 to 50% is made of bonds. And it is aimed to provide a high chance that your money lasts 30 plus years, obviously not guaranteed, but currently based on that study, 95% of people have a success rate of that money lasting that long or longer. The example I'll give is a retirement amount. Let's say you have 1.5 million saved for retirement. Your withdrawal amount would be 1.5 million times 4%, and that would be $60,000 a year. And the purpose of that is to tell you, based on this study, you can pull $60,000 a year and you have an extremely likely chance that is going to last you 30 plus years. That's it. Thanks for watching.